Yeah, so this one is broke also. This broke last week sometime. So, what I am doing is I'm going to get this latch off of here and put another one on. For some reason, I suspect, well, I don't know, this latch is broken. I don't know if I broke it or if someone had actually tried to break in the truck and just were unsuccessful. I don't know what the deal is. But I've got another latch. It's not like the original, but it is a latch. So and I gotta drill these rivets out. Yeah. Probably should have picked a warmer day, you think? It's like 20, no, it's like 32. It's 33. It's not any colder than 33 because the ground is not frozen. Yeah. Focus! Not close enough. Yeah, that was really labor intensive anyway. Let's see how well this comes out. Well, some time had went by, 24 hours to be exact, since I had worked on this last. And reason being, because I ran out of parts. So I went to the Home Depot, got some little bitty screws, and let's see, and some plugs, 3/16" hole plugs, which will be used to plug, cover up those holes when I put the new latch on. And here's the new latch, and of course, if you hadn't noticed, it's going to it's going to fit in there just like that. It helps if I get the camera up here, doesn't it? Yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do, let's see, all the holes will be kind of like this, and I've got a template that I've made right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tape this on right here like that, and it should be pretty much a simple task, right? Okay, well I gotta turn the camera off. Okay. Oh yeah, see, I've got it all taped up now, and where you see these holes is where I will be doing the actual drilling part. Sounds fun anyway. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I got some drill bits. 5/64. I got two of them, because I'm probably going to break one. And of course, let me find it here. Yeah, of course, made in China. How about that? Alright. Okay. Yeah, I have 4 holes drilled. 2 of them is off the target just a little bit. Well, one kind of slipped, and I kind of compensated just a little bit, so it should be okay. And I did not break a bit. Wow, how awesome is that? I got a pile of bits going on. Alright, well, the next thing to do is I'm going to see about putting this latch on. I'm going to go ahead and peel this tape off, see what we got. Looks nice anyway. Okay, well, let's see if it fits. And while I'm here, I might as well put these little clips in, or not clips, these little plugs, provided that I don't drop them somewhere. There's one. 2. 3. And 4. Alright, that looks better already. You know the fun part, putting the latch on itself. Well, so far it looks good. I've usually got buckets full of these screws. Evidently at some point or another I'd use them for something else. Alright, that's nice. Now, on the rest of the latch, I'm going to go ahead and slide that out of the way. How about that? Yeah, we might have a problem. Well, maybe not. I'll show you what our problem is here in a few minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and slide that out of the way. And, oh, that's perfect. It's beginning to snow again outside. It's probably just a little above freezing. It might be 32 or 33 degrees, I don't know. Well, my potential problem, it won't be that big of an issue. I can work around it. Alright, well, there's that. Alright, moment of truth. Go ahead and slide this together. And looks like I have a problem. There we go. Oh, maybe not. There. Nice. Now, what the problem is, right there, the screws want to go through, so what I'm going to have to do is I'll just file that down a little bit, and it should take care of it. Okay, well, I'll show you what I did. I just took my little rotary file that I had and just cut some little reliefs in it. It didn't take much. A lot of your sliding windows don't have an interference lip like that. Most of them are kind of like this, where it's just got a seal on both sides of it to touch. Which made that kind of hard anyway. And plus, that's also a rear window latch for a Chrysler product. So, yeah, I'm kind of retrofitting. But anyway, if you have a topper like this that's had the latch broke on it, you can see how we had an inexpensive way to go about fixing it. Well, that's it'll at least slow someone down from breaking in anyway. I've got another latch somewhere that I'm going to put on the outside of this also. You can get these in the help section. Relatively expensive. I think they come 2 in a pack for like $7 or something like that. They're not much. Anyway, it's always had a little bit of a gap here at the top. Yeah, well, it's no big deal. But it looks better. I'm going to try it one more time. And I'm eventually going to get a link that goes in between the cab and the topper anyway. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm going to go back inside where it's warm. I got some stuff I got to print out for college tomorrow anyway. Okay, thanks for watching.